This is $6,000. Also, this is over $17,000. What if I tell you this amount of money was earned from Facebook? I know it sounds crazy and it sounds unrealistic, and the reason is because of this. Now, Facebook pays, but they pay based on engagement. But even with that, some people have more engagement and they are still earning this amount that you're seeing on my screen right now. So we earn 3 cents per 1,000 view. How come somebody was able to make over $6,000 to $17,000 in the month of July? We are going to go through this guy's page on Facebook and we are going to pick out some things from him and we are going to duplicate whatever he's doing. We are going to duplicate it in our own way to see if we can also be pulling out this amount every single month. Okay, now see me for the first time I talk about side hustle, so do want to like, share and subscribe for more content coming your way. Join our community. Thank you very much. This is not a financial advice. I'm just here to share my experience about Facebook content monetization. I'm currently following this guy right here on YouTube. If you check right here, you're going to see that what he talks about Facebook monetization, how he's making money on Facebook and so on. And on his last video, he posted this video 3 days ago, as you can see, and this video is talking about how he made $42,000 last month, the month of June, using Claude AI and Facebook. So I've already gone through this video, but let's take a look.
In this video, I'm going to show you how I made $42,035 in 1 month posting on Facebook.
This is not theoretical, this is practical.
And using Claude AI to help me do most of the heavy lifting. And before anybody says it, no, Claude is not some magic money printer. You can't just type "make me rich" on Facebook and then suddenly Meta starts sending you checks. But what Claude can do is help you find...
AI can only help you to give you ideas, help you understand the kind of content you should post, the time you should post it, and the content posting cycle. Not because the AI is giving them money, but because the AI gives them ideas, create better captions. And you need to understand that on Facebook, for your post to go viral, either your caption or your image must be intriguing enough. So this is why people use AI. They are not able to come up with good captions that will make people click on their post. So because of that, they run to AI for a little assistance.
Let me show you why you should actually listen to what I'm about to teach you. Let's go and hop into my dashboard on Facebook. So here is the last 28 days. We've got 357 million views with...
In the last 20 days, 300 million views. If you look at the dashboard right here, this is over $34,000 in the last 20 days. This is from last 28 days, from June 11 to July 8. June 11 to July 8, this is $34,000.
Around 34,700. And just so that if anybody's saying, oh, this is a screenshot, this is AI, blah, 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 let me hit refresh on the browser so that you can see the same number come up. There it is.
You can see that this is real and this is not fake. I decided to take a look at his Facebook page because when I see things like this, they motivate me a lot. Let me scroll down. This is another post he made right here. And let's scroll. This post has over 2,000 likes. This other one, this is text. He's posting text. So this one has 159 likes. This is over 842 likes. If you calculate everything, in a day he can make over 15 to 20 posts. He posts 1 post per hour or 2-3 posts per hour. Just 2-3 posts in every hour. So he takes his time to look for posts and posts 2-3 posts in 1 hour. The first thing I notice is that he's an American. Second thing I notice is that he's a financial coach. That is his niche. He is actually using AI for most of his work. Our target audience is America. Yeah, America, West Canada, all those places. Let's create a Facebook page. I created a new Facebook page that I want to use for the purpose of this particular video. The problem is that the page is not an American page. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to be creating an American Facebook page or a foreign Facebook page that I can use. I'm going to be creating a foreign Facebook page. But for now, let's go with the page I created. So I've also choose my niche, which is finance, based on what he is posting. We want to use AI. This post was made 1 day ago. This post has over 26,000 likes. If a post gives you 26,000 likes, that particular post will give you around 4, 5, 6 million, up to 10 million views. First of all, I created a master prompt. I came to Claude and I pasted this prompt. You are a liar, blah 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 blah. The prompt you just saw right now, that's my master prompt. I copied that master prompt, I pasted inside Claude. I went back to that chart. I told Claude exactly what I want, and Claude gave me a prompt. I took that prompt, I came to a new page just like this one you're seeing. I went to that man's page on Facebook. I took some screenshot of his post. I took screenshot of some of his posts. These are some of the screenshot. So I pasted 10 screenshot right here, and I pasted another 10, so total was 20 screenshot. Then I pasted that prompt that Claude gave me. See how long the prompt is right here. I pasted the prompt that Claude gave me. If you want the prompt, I'm still going to give you the prompt, but it's going to be based on your niche, so you might not use the same niche, you might use another niche. Okay, you might use another niche. There are a lot of niches, but I love finance niche, you understand. I just love this niche so much. Claude gave me a structure, so I typed something like I need new set of posts for today. So this is how this looks like. Category: finance and parable, relatable story, image description, a warm this blah blah blah. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy the whole of this image plus the text on the image. That's number one. Number two, I'm going to come here and copy the post right here, the whole post. I'm going to go over to ChatGPT. So ChatGPT right here will help us to create the images. And if you don't want to use ChatGPT, you can use Canva to do your thing. I'm going to paste in the image description that we got. So this is the image description. We have our image right here from ChatGPT. You can see she never made 6 figures. She just never lied to herself about money. So you can see how clean this is. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to save this image. Then I'm going to take it to InShot. Then I'm going to clean it a little bit. Then after I clean it inside InShot, then I'm going to export it. Then I'm going to post it on Facebook. So we're going to be posting a video. That's the next thing we are going to do. Now for this one, let me come down here and paste in the text. So let's paste the text. So the post is actually posting right now. So now I'm going to come over here and click on my profile, and once I click on my profile, I'm going to scroll down. So this is the post that we just made. Another thing is that most of you will get discouraged very fast because you create 5 posts and none of them perform well. You get discouraged, but you shouldn't get discouraged whenever you create posts and they don't perform well as you want it. We have posted text. The next thing we want to post are image videos, because you can grow very fast using videos. After all the rambling and everything, I posted a very long prompt. Then we copy our prompt, we go and make the video inside Google Flow. Okay, scene, this is our scene, real description. So this is it. I'm going to copy everything from here. Then I'm going to come here, copy all the text. Then I'm going to come here, copy the title plus the hashtag, everything. Now let's go over to Google Flow. I'm going to click on create with Google Flow. They're going to ask me to log in, so I'm going to log in with my Google account. Let me click on new project. Once I click on that, they're going to bring me over here. I'm going to come here and select this, and the video will be 9:16. I want only one output. I want it to be up to 10 seconds long, and it's going to cost me 15 credits for this to be possible. Now for me to continue, I just need to come here and click on the upload right here, and then I want to go ahead and upload my character. We just imported our image, so let me paste in those prompts. Just go ahead and click on generate right here. So let's see what will happen. Let's see what we are going to get, if the video will make sense or not. Remember, no voice, no talking, just motion, and we are going to paste the text. This is beautiful, guys. This is beautiful. This is amazing. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on download. Let me go ahead and download. This is the video full screen. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. This is absolutely stunning. So after I got the video from Google Flow, I took it inside my InShot. I put it inside InShot, and what I did was that I removed the sound and I added the text. Remember the text we copied from Claude. I added the text on the screen, and after a little refinement, and this is how the post actually looks like after I posted on my Facebook page. And I did another post again just like that, and this is the second post. And you don't have to use Google Flow, you can use any other AI that works for you, but I'm just using it because I'm paying for monthly subscription for Gemini Pro, so they give me Google Flow for free. Okay, so that is what you can do. You can go for the images, you can also go for the videos. We are targeting America so that we can have high CPM or high RPM, so that we can make much more money from Facebook ad revenue. So this is how it is. Now I'm not saying it's going to be easy, but I'm going to be updating you guys how it goes. If this page grows and any progress is made, I'm going to update you guys. And the thing is that I decided to run an ad. This is what I'm actually talking about. I got foreign followers, which means if I can continue and I'm consistent, I'm going to grow this page to a significant amount of following, which means there is potential in this. There is potential, so I don't have to stop now. The problem is that when most people start things like this, they just give up very easily. They just stop it because they are not seeing immediate result. No, I'm not going to stop. I'm still going to try my best. I'm going to keep on posting. I'm going to keep on posting small, and I grow the page no matter how long it takes. I'm not planning for it to take me like 6 months, 1 year, but even if it does, perfectly fine by me. Are you going to start this with me, or you're not going to start this? Just drop your opinion in the comment section, guys. I'm going to see you guys in my next video, and bye for now.